It is absolutely a truth that dance has saved my life. Coming from, a poverty-stricken world just here in Central Florida, in Daytona Beach, Florida, to where I am now, to not living what traditionally the trajectory is for an African American male, which is imprisonment, poverty, or death. It has definitely shifted the course of my life and put me in a place where I see the world differently and I can respond to it in a beneficial way to not only me, but the people I have the privilege of touching. I had a dialogue with Troy Powell over at Ailey 2. He's the Associate Artistic Director, and I was questioning whether or not my role or what I'm doing in life is worthwhile. And Troy's response was, please, man, we change lives through dance. CCD students collectively walk away knowing that we are encouraging them to speak authentically from their voice. As a steward of the Center for Contemporary Dance, I am very clear about my role here, and I do understand the significance of making sure dance remains accessible here in Central Florida. It's very important that we continue doing what we're doing, because I know we are, in the words of Mr. Troy Powell, we are changing lives, period.